Oh my god, guys, look what just got here. I'm so excited. It's the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2021. I missed out on 2020s. I did 2019. It sold out really fast 2020. And I finally got my hands on this one. I am so excited. I got the standard size. There's like a standard and an XL. The XL is so expensive. It's like $120. I can't shell that much out for some freaking makeup. I mean, like, I don't want to, especially when I don't know what it is. But these are so much fun. You guys seem to enjoy my 2019 video. So let's open this up. I have my little lash scissors. I'm so excited. It's a little light, which kind of scares me. So if you don't know what a lucky bag is, it's a Chinese New Year tradition, and Beautylish is partaking in it in a beauty sense, where you get this box and it is filled with goodies that you don't know what they are, and I'm so excited. Oh, it's wrapped real cute, real cute. This is how it's wrapped. I am so excited, so cute. It's like opening a present on Christmas. I am so sorry. This is a Japanese tradition. Really sorry about that. It says lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character of this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so everything is bubble wrapped. I think it's usually, like, I think the last one I opened, everything was individually wrapped, and this year it's just all in a bubble wrap. Come on, give me the goods. Okay, so first product is the Goldie Papaya Bright Exfoliating Face Mask. Really nice packaging, glass packaging. Interesting. This brightening mask made of 100% pure supplement grade superfoods, packed with vitamin C and fruit enzymes. The powder to gel formula quickly exfoliates to reveal radiant skin. Interesting. So it's a powder. Okay, next product. Okay, I'm feeling a brush. This is by Soniac. It looks like a Japanese brush, and it is gorgeous. Yes, it is a Japanese brush. It's a soft shader brush. This is like really high quality. It kind of reminds me of the Wayne Goss brush that I have, that I got from my 2019 bag. This is really nice, super, super soft. Really excited about that. Okay, what's next? What's this? Oh, Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Stylish. Let's see. Come out. Oh, that is pretty. So pretty. It's like a greeny gold. It's cold because it was just outside. That is so pretty. Getting blown out, but like reflective as anything. Love that. Cute, cute. All right, that's 3 products done. I think there's 3 products left. What's this? Lena Chu and Anderson 8. What is this? I think this is in Japanese as well. I like that they're featuring some Japanese brands in this. This is really nice packaging, but how do I open it? Oh, here we go. The Great Artist Velvet Matte Lipstick. Oh my god, this is like such nice packaging. Look at that, and then this is velvet on the inside. Oh my gosh, it's a little pouch for the lipstick. This is so fancy. Such a beautiful, beautiful packaged lipstick. So again, this is Anderson, Lena Chu, number 8. Oh, wow. Oh my god, this packaging is gorgeous. Look at this. How beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it. This color is not very for me, but I think I know somebody who would like this, so I am going to pass it on to them. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. What is it? One more product? Two more products? Okay, let's go with this one. Good Molecules. This is the discoloration correcting serum. Oh, I need that. So, Terraceutic TX Vector is the first of its kind anti-aging depigmentation active to help achieve naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic acid into deeper layers of the skin. It says AM or PM. It has a pH of 5.5, which is interesting. On the ingredients, it shows you like how much percentage-wise is in this, which is really interesting. Awesome. That is so cool. Let's open her up. See what she looks like. This is what it looks like. So nice. We have one product left. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's Charlotte Tilbury. I've never had their eyeshadows before, which also they kind of just stopped being cruelty free according to Cruelty Free Kitty, but I've already purchased this, so I will keep it. It is the luxury palette. It just says luxury palette. Is that just what it's called? The Queen of Glow. That's exciting. Gorgeous packaging. Oh yes, that is so pretty. Super useful colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that. Okay, so my thought of this lucky bag. I think it was very diverse. They kind of split, at least my bag was, it was split into sections. So we had 2 Japanese products. I think it's awesome to show Americans more Asian products, and especially have these Japanese products when it's a very special kind of tradition that they have. And then I have 2 skincare ingredients. Guys, I can't believe I said ingredients. Obviously, I mean products. Like, I am dying of laughter right now. I feel so dumb. That kind of go with each other. They have to do with exfoliating, brightening, getting rid of discoloration, which I am all about. And then you have 2 name brand products. We had the Stila and then the Charlotte Tilbury. So you're really getting some like indie, some name brand, some good skincare, all of that. So I think it's a diverse box, which I really appreciate. I think my favorite 2 items are the brush. I'm so excited about this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then this guy right here, which you saw is blinding. I can't wait to put this on my eyes. So pretty. But I'm super excited about all of the products here. If you want to get one of these boxes in the future, a couple weeks before Christmas, they will open up their email list so that you are the first one to be notified when the box goes live. I always tend to check the website the morning after Christmas because I feel like 2019, that's when they went on sale, and then they went on sale December 26th this year, even though they try and say like, oh, it's like a secret date, but I just so happen to have figured it out. So if you want to get one of these boxes, you just kind of have to be diligent, sign up for the mailing list, and kind of keep your eyes on your phone and the website. They did offer different kind of boxes this year. They had some Jeffree Star boxes, and then this box and the XL, and then they have a buy one give one, so where they donate a box to charity, which is awesome. So they have that where you can do the standard buy and give, and you can do a XL buy and give, which is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so much fun. I love doing this. I can't wait for next year's. Let me know down below if you got one as well and what you got in it. I love this concept. It's so fun and it's so cool. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.